Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in gadgets and technology today. We're diving into the world of gaming consoles, specifically the Xbox 360. The Xbox 360 is a fantastic gaming console that was developed by Microsoft and released in 2005. It's the follow-up to the original Xbox and a direct competitor to Sony's PlayStation 3 and Nintendo's Wii. One of the standout features of the Xbox 360 is its sleek design. The console comes in a variety of colors, but my personal favorite is the white model. It's aesthetically pleasing, modern, and certainly makes a statement when placed in your living room or gaming room. In terms of performance, the Xbox 360 delivers. It boasts a powerful GPU, allowing it to run games at high resolutions and frame rates. And let's not forget about its gaming experience, with titles like Halo 3, Gears of War, Grand Theft Auto 4, and Call of Duty for Modern Warfare. You're guaranteed hours of fun. To summarize, the Xbox 360 is an excellent gaming console that offers an impressive graphic performance and a vast array of games that will keep you entertained for days on end. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup, this could be the perfect addition to your collection. The Xbox 360 features an online service, Xbox Live, which was expanded from its previous iteration on the original Xbox and received regular updates during the console's lifetime. Available in free and subscription-based varieties, Xbox Live allows users to play games, online download games through Xbox Live Arcade, and gain DMOS purchase and stream music, television programs, and films through the Xbox Music and Xbox Video portals, and access third-party content services through media streaming applications. In addition to online multimedia features, it allows users to stream media from local PCs. Several peripherals have been released, including wireless controllers, expanded hard drive storage, and the Kinect motion sensing camera. The release of these additional services and peripherals help the Xbox brand grow from gaming only to encompassing all multimedia, turning it into a hub for living room computing entertainment. Launched worldwide throughout 2005-2006, the Xbox 360 was initially in short supply in many regions, including North America and Europe. The earliest versions of the console suffered from a high failure rate, indicated by the so-called red ring of death, necessitating an extension of the device's warranty period. Microsoft released two redesigned models of the console, the Xbox 360S in 2010 and the Xbox 360E in 2013. Xbox 360 is the 9th highest selling home video game console in history and the highest selling console made by an American company. Although not the best-selling console of its generation, the Xbox 360 was deemed by TechRadar to be the most influential through its emphasis on digital media distribution and multiplayer gaming on Xbox Live. The Xbox 360's successor, the Xbox One, was released on November 22, 2013. On April 20, 2016, Microsoft announced that it would end the production of new Xbox 360 hardware, although the company will continue to support the platform. On August 17, 2023, Microsoft announced that on July 29, 2024, the Xbox 360 game marketplace will stop offering new purchases, and Microsoft Movies TV app will no longer function. The console will still be able to download previously purchased content, run it, and enter multiplayer sessions in this game console. The problem was that the device could not read the CD-ROM, which did not play the game CDs. Well, basically, when the CD does not play in the device, the biggest failure, or perhaps the main failure, is related to the dirtiness of the CD-ROM lens. You can see here that I opened the game console, and after removing the CD-ROM and removing the CD-ROM cover, we can see its lens, which should be gently cleaned with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol. Just be careful that the cotton, it should not be soaked in alcohol. It should only have a little bit of alcohol so that we can clean the lens. In the following, we will see the opening and closing of the console together. If you're a fan of retro gaming, there's no better time than now to dust off your Xbox 360 and get in on some nostalgic fun. Thanks for tuning in today, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more gaming content like this. Until next time, happy gaming!